It's time for a box full of magic, because this one comes from Magic Buttons. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. And in today's video it's time for a multi-game card from the 90s. It's again a Pac-Man edition with 220 games. So I'm very curious, does this thing really have 220 games? Maybe you know already the answer, but nevertheless, we're going to play some games, we're going to have some fun, we're going to have some experience like in the 90s. So again, shout out to Magic Button because they sent it to check it out. I just borrowed it. So if you're interested in a product like this, don't forget to check out the website. I'm going to grab my Retro 3 Plus and we're going to play some games. Let's go. Woohoo! Let's go. Alright, so let's see what we're going to get. This is very strange. But it is more like a quick menu, so you can choose from the beginning which game you want. Okay. There was no alphabetic order, so really no clue why they did this. Mario 2? So you're going to say there are some pretty good games on this thing. Huh. Oh, and there was something I found out before making this video. Fat Ninja is basically Dig Dog, so it's a lie. Like the cake in Portal. It's a freaking lie, people. So the pros are basically, let's say, more like Hectation or something for the game, but been a little bit disappointed. But yeah, for back in the 90s, this was not bad. It was just common with these multi-game cards. Alright, so let's play some games and just check out what are we going to get with this. Are there even some good games and are they all working like it should be? Stay tuned. What a depressing song. Man, oh man. For the final conclusion, if it comes to the Pac-Man 220 in 1, I must say in overall the collection, the first few pages are basically the games that are on it, and all the other games are double, and they even use some other names for it. So a little bit of a bummer, but this is what you're going to get with multi-game cards from the 90s most of the time. Let me know what you think of this, really love to know. And if you're interested, don't forget to check out the Magic Button website. For now, thanks for watching. For more awesome gameplay, check the gaming channel of the Wicked Gamer. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. See you next time. Bye bye.